everyone! Today I'm making Binging with Babish's Fudgy Brownies. The link to the full recipe is in the description box below. In the bowl already is cocoa powder, chopped unsweetened chocolate and espresso powder. I then add the boiling water and give the mixture a stir to get everything combined and melted. While still warm, I mix in the butter and the vegetable oil. When the mixture has cooled, I then add in 2 eggs and 2 egg yolks, stirring to combine. I then add vanilla and white sugar, whisking to combine before adding the flour. Finally, I add in chopped chocolate before giving the mixture one last stir. Pour the brownie batter into a pre-prepared pan and bake in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for 30 to 35 minutes, depending on your oven. Let the brownies cool in the pan for an hour before cutting. I really enjoyed making these brownies. The espresso powder makes the brownies taste similar to a mud cake, and the consistency is definitely fudgy. Comment below if there's any of Binging with Babish's recipes you'd like me to try. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like or subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching!